Hello everyone. Welcome to e-learning of IT for 12th standard. This video is for 12th standard commerce students. We are discussing 5th chapter from syllabus, that is database concepts using LibreOffice Base. We have already discussed about how to create a table in LibreOffice Base as well as to insert the values, to edit and delete the values records from the LibreOffice Base. So today we are going to discuss about what is a query and query creation using Wizard. We can create a query using two different ways, that is using a Wizard and using a design view. So first of all, in this lecture we are going to study how to create a query using Wizard. So first of all, what is a query? Query is nothing but any question that is asked within a database environment. For example, how many students are there in 12th standard, or how many students are having marks greater than 75. In this way, any kind of question asked within a database environment is nothing but a query. Query has a certain syntax, and we write the query to get a desired records from the different tables. So query displays a subset of data contained in various tables of the database, and query is used to retrieve records from the table. So query is basically used to retrieve a data from table, records from the table. Not all data, but we will get a sorted data using a query. If we want all data to be get displayed from a table, we can write a query. For example, select star from table name. In this way we will get a all records from the table. We have already studied in 11th standard how to write the queries. So today we are going to study how to create a query in LibreOffice Base using a wizard. So there are certain steps. First of all, open a database and from left pane click on the queries object. So first of all, we have to open a database. So open a LibreOffice Base. So first of all, open LibreOffice application. Then we have created a database, that is student database. So open the database and from the left pane click on the queries option. After that we have to click on use wizard to create a query. See here, we can create a query using design view, using wizard, and in a SQL view also. So today we will study how to create a query using wizard. So let us go to the next step. See here, from the right pane click on the use wizard to create a query. So here click on the wizard. Then let us check the next step. See here, select the name of table and shift the fields from available fields list to the fields in the query list by clicking on arrow button and click on the next button. See here how to perform it. Here we have to select the fields. So whatever fields that you want in a result, that fields we have to select from here. Okay. So first of all, select a table. There is only one table that we have created in this database student, and that is stud table. So select that table. After that, select the fields to get displayed. So let us select some fields like roll number. Click here. Here are the fields in the query, and these are the all available fields. If we want roll number, name and city to get displayed, then click on the next. See, let us check the steps first. Then select a field for sorting the record, select the order ascending, descending, and then click on the next button. So see here, after this, here we can click on the sorting and we can set ascending or descending. Suppose we have set ascending order, then we can specify here any search condition. That is our next step. See here, in the next step user has to select the search condition. More than one search condition can also be selected. For that, select the field, select the condition and type value for the condition and then click on the next button. Okay, so suppose we want to provide certain condition to get displayed. For that, here suppose a field is city. If we want all students to get displayed who are from Pune city, then here we can type as a Pune. Here we can set a multiple conditions also. After that, details and summary. See here, if you want to replace original field names with some new field names in the output of the query, type the aliases for each field and click on the next button, and after type the query name and click on the finish button. So after this, here we can set aliases if we want a certain new field name. After that, this is the overview of query, and after that click on the finish button. After clicking on this finish button, here let us check the student table first. So from tables pane, here see here Pune city is there, but Pune is written with P capital. So in query also we have to write a P capital. So within a query, here we have to edit this query. So click on the edit button, and here we have to type capital P. Again save the record, save that query, close it, and now we will run this query and see here this is the output. Okay, so we have to always remember capital small letters. Here if suppose we insert one more record, Anagha from Mumbai, let us enter a number and marks, save the record, then close it. Now we will give a filter for the query as a Mumbai. So edit, and here for city we will specify here Mumbai. Now all records from Mumbai city will get displayed. So there are two different records. So let us run this query and we will get two records, 102 and 104. Ananya and Anagha are from Mumbai city. So in this way we can write down a query using a wizard, that is wizard to create a query. Let us write one more query. Here we can change the name of this query also. Click here to rename it city wise sorting. We can specify any name here. Let us create one more query. Again we have to select the fields. Table is student table. If we want roll number, then name and marks. Suppose this city we do not want in this type, then roll number, marks and name, and after that click on the next. We can specify order. Suppose we specify here descending order. Then search condition. Suppose a search condition is marks greater than 92. Then click on the next. After that again click on the next, and then finish. So see here, whose marks are greater than 92, those records are of Pooja and Anaga. We can check from the table also. See here, within a table, 93 and 95, Pooja and Anaga. Okay, for Atharva and Ananya, marks are less than 92, so these two records have not been displayed. See here, for queries, you can rename from here also, and if suppose let us write one more query, again select the table. If we want all records to get displayed, that is roll number, name, city, mobile number and marks. After that click on the next, again next, again next. After that here we can type a name for the query so that we do not have to rename from here. So type here a name, all records. So here all records will get displayed. See here all 4 records have been displayed. Okay, so in this way we can write down a queries, create the queries using a query wizard in a LibreOffice base. So note down all these steps that we have discussed now to create a query using wizard, and try to write the different queries. See here, in this way this layout you will get while creating a query that we have already seen while creating the query in wizard. So note down all these steps, and as well as try to write down or try to create a different types of queries in a query wizard in a LibreOffice base. Thank you.